So hello friends, welcome to my channel and coaching center. So today I'm going to explain your 11th standard accountancy 9th chapter not for profit organization. So meaning for not for profit organization is the primary motive of not for profit organization is to render services to their members or to promote culture, art, education, other other religious, social and charitable activities. For that to promote to them, their service will be there. So such organization prepares following financial statement at the end of accounting period: receipts and payment account, income and expenditure account, balance sheet will make. And receipts and payment account, this is the merely a summary of the transaction appearing in the cash book after preparation of this account. It is easy to prepare the income and expenditure account as well as the balance sheet. All receipts are shown on it. Next is features of receipts payment account. It is a real account, thus receipts are shown on its debit side and payment on its credit side. And excess receipt over payment is the closing balance of cash, which is shown in balance sheet on asset side. And this account begins with the opening balance of the cash or bank, and an item may be repeated many times in a cash book, but it is shown once in receipts and payment account. All cash payment are shown on its credit side irrespectively for fact whether these are of capital nature or of revenue nature. Next, receipts and payment account record only the actual receipt and payment of the payment of cash. Limitation of receipt and payment account are: it is not prepared on a accrual basis. Therefore, no adjustment are made in it. No adjustment are made in it, and this account does not show the income or expenditure of the accounting period, and it does not show the amount received or paid only for the particular accounting period. Next, income or expenditure account serves some purpose for a not for a profit organization, as profit and loss account for the business enterprise. As a profit and loss account, they serve for them. Next, features of income and expenditure account are: it is a nominal account, no capital item is entered in this account, no one is doing investment. Its debit side includes all the expenses to the particular period, and credit side include all the income to the same period only. And no opening and closing balance are recorded in it, and no item either revenue or expenditure pertaining to the past period or the future period. And credit balance is called as excess of income over expenditure, and debit balance is called as excess of expenditure over income. So next is important item of not for profit organization is legacy. Legacy represents the amount or period received by organization under a will on death of contributors. Legacy received for a specific purpose must be capitalized in the name of concerned fund for which it is received. It should be mentioned there. And legacy received not for any specific fund may be added to the capital fund. It should be added not for any specific reason. If that fund is got, then you have to put it to the capital fund. Next, entrance fees. So entrance fees is called as the admission fees. It refers to the amount received from the person for becoming member, and it is the fees paid by the member at the time of joining the not for profit organization. It is an item of recurring nature. Generally, entrance fees are treated as income. Next, grants. Grants are an aid issued by any government agency to any not for profit organization for special purpose or general purpose, and it is an aid from government. Specific grant should be capitalized. Next, donation is the amount received by not for profit organization for any person or institution without any consideration and non periodicity. And general and special donation, it denotes the donation received from a received for not a special purpose and can be utilized for any purpose, then it is known as general donation. And the donation received for a particular purpose and can be used or spent for the same purpose, then it is called a special donation. Next is subscription. Subscription is the amount payable by the members of not for profit organization for renewal for membership periodically, and it is recurring in nature, and it is treated as revenue reserve. Life membership. Life membership is service received from those members who do not pay periodic fees or subscription but pay a lump sum amount to become a lifetime member. Next, endowment funds. The funds is created from the bequest, legacy or gifts received by the not-for-profit organization. These funds are invested outside. Next is honorarium. Honorarium is an amount paid to a person for rendering some special services for not-for-profit organization. It is treated as an expenses for not-to-profit organization. So here like this you have to write how much credit income we have, income and expenditure we have got in then balance sheet. Like this only, see here, like this only you have to write rent paid during the year, add less, how much added money, how much given the money, like that only you have to write. So let us take first one illustration. See, 50,000 is, so here they have given 50,000 is for subscription, 50,000 is debited, you have debited, no credit. So here income, so for subscription 50,000 you have debited, for add outstanding, for add 20,000, add advance received is into 15,000 and 85,000 less advance received is 10,000, 75,000, and less for 2009 and 10 is 10,000. So here 65,000, totally 65,000. Here you have to write how much income you have got, and expenditure nothing, like that only you have see. Here like this you have to write, and here in balance sheet you have to write amount paid for stationery during current year is 21,600. Add is opening stocks and stationery credit at the end of the current year is 6,000, and credit at the end of current year is 3,600. Less means the debit is closing stock is 1,000, crediting for 2009 and 10 is 4,000, 31,200 here if you plus it. Next year 5,000, here this one 5,000, so totally 36,200 is the total amount. You can write it here also, or this year only you can add, and you can write this one here, and you can add total this 1,000 and 4,000, total 3,000. If this you add 31,000, this is why you are adding this is credit, this is credit, how much income you have got, this is debit. See here receipts, payment. So next question they have given is, that is the balance is 28,260 and to entrance fees is 7,040 and subscription is 44,000 receipt and 28,000 for donation 227,200. Interest is 820 and profit from is 1,640. Next is payment is, by rent we have got 17,200, by salary 18,800 and 840 for electricity, like that we have to add here, and we have to illustrate how much balance sheet, and you have to give in some information also sometimes why you added that one, that all information you have to give. Here see balance sheet, liability and assets. Rent outstanding 3,600, capital fund is 97,460, cash 28,260, subscription and outstanding books, outstanding is 1,200, subscription nothing, book 60,000, furniture 11,000, so totally 1 lakh plus 1,060 rupees. Here 1 lakh 1,060, it is balanced. Like that only it is also you have to do balance sheet. The question they have given in the year end, what thing we have to do, That all you have to write in the thing. And see here, this all you have to write here only. Add less. That all you inside only you have to write, not in the credit or debit side. Next is so like this only. Next is one I will explain. So see here, they are also the balance is 3075 and subscription until 10 11 9 10 11 is 5,500 21,500 750. This year only you have to put, and when you add this both you get 22,750. So totally here you have to put that totally you have to add here, not 21,000 like this. Not, you should not write the how much rupees is income. You should write total amount, not like this. Okay. Next, the interest on investment is 10,000, and for bank interest is 125. Sales for furniture is 1,500. Here also salaries for 12,000, rent 3,600, postage 150, print and stationery 1,200, and all the things you have to put how much credit happened, how much debit happened. So totally you have to write the balance. If it is not balanced, then you can say income, or you can do the, or you can use the subsidiary account. As you know, the last chapter I explained, subsidiary account will also help you the balance the sheet. Like this only they have given here some sums. So okay friends, practice this sum, or practice is how to write income and debit. No, nothing is there. You have to write the income, how much that you have got, and whether it is special. You have to do it total. If it is add and less like that, it is there means. And you have to after doing total, you have to write that in expenditure or income you have got means. Then all the amount that you have got, like this postage, that all you have to write commonly. There is nothing in that, but less than expenditure you have to write the total. So okay, so still here it is enough. I will explain the other concept of not for profit organization chapter in my next video. Till then, see you, take care, have a nice day my dear friends, and like the video, comment on my video, and subscribe my channel and go to for more videos. So I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day, bye my dear friends.